What is this? Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing a makeup look and I bought a new house! See? See my yellow pillow? No, I'm at my mom's house because I'm doing this makeup trend, doing a whole face of makeup using only your mom's makeup. And I don't live here, so I really don't know what she has. So I thought this was a great idea. So when I went to get her makeup just now, this is what it comes with. So we have a nice little caboodle, a pillowcase. Oh, a pillowcase. And this is what she lays out on the couch and then puts her makeup all on top there so that she doesn't dirty the couch. And then we have a mirror. Oh my god, it's like Harry Potter shit. Voltaro Hogwarts. What do you say? I'm nervous. All her makeup is in here. Smells very nice. I feel like I don't know where to start. This is just a black bottle. All these I have never tried before. Okay, so I think I'm gonna lay everything out on that pillowcase. All right, here is everything laid out. The only thing I'm concerned off right off the bat is the lack of brushes. I don't see a foundation brush anywhere. And I'm getting hot. I mean, this is not a phone a friend lifeline challenge, but I just need to know how we apply foundation.
Hello?
Hello. I was just wondering what you use to apply foundation.
Well, it's in there.
Yeah, no, like...
What do I use? My finger.
Your finger? Okay.
Yeah, that's what I use.
Okay.
I open it up and I shake it and I get what's on my finger and put it on my face.
Okay, I'll do that. Sanitary rule 101, girl, we're in for a treat. There's no such thing as a face primer. Bye-bye under eye. Hey, I know that. Can I just show you guys the obsession with concealer? Here's our concealer game. And honestly, this is like half the makeup collection. No primer. Let's choose one of these. Oh wait, there's another concealer. Ooh, the garbage men. Hi, I'm trash too, pick me up. So the first product that I'm choosing is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. And I'm assuming we just applied this with our finger as well, so let's get right in there. Nice thick consistency. This is thick. I usually apply my foundation first, but the fact that we do not have primer, and I have a lot of blackheads on my chin lately, who knows why. Kind of obsessed with this concealer right now. Foundation, we got choices, that's a good thing. Fit Me Maybelline 120, this is probably my shade. Or the CoverGirl Clean Oil Control. No, I'm gonna do the Fit Me. My mom literally has freaking ghosts in her house. Okay, so I really just put this on my finger. Let's roll up our sleeves. Buying my mom a brush set for Christmas. Oh my god. I'm just gonna take a little moment. I'm sending my vibes to the Nikki Tutorials spiritual presence in the makeup world here, because Nikki Tutorials, you're in every makeup. As soon as a makeup bottle opens, your presence just releases. Please forgive me. I'm trying to like pat it like a beauty blender. Oh my god, this is making my face look so cakey. Why do we not have brushes? How do you blend your foundation if you're just rubbing it in like lotion? Oh, like how am I supposed to blend? You should have blend down your neck. Does anyone else do this? Can you please comment down below? Is this how they did it in high school, like in the 70s? Now with this Bye Bye Under Eye, conceal, highlight my forehead, down my nose. I wish I had a brush. We do not have an under eye setting powder, so I'm internally shaking. So I'm going to be using this Essence All About Matte. Who's Matte, mother? Ooh. Fixing Compact Powder. I don't have a brush. These right here are my choices of brushes. So I have eyeshadow, 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 and eyeshadow. And then I have this half of a misshapen powder brush or blush brush. I don't know what it was, girl. Come on, set my under eyes. I'm taking my mom to Sephora after this. As soon as she gets off work. Hey, that actually set pretty well. Down my nose, chinny chin chin. Now this is what I'm supposed to apply powder with. Huh? What? This is what I'm supposed to... This is garbage. #1 transparent. What is the brand? Cool. Yep. Oh my god, I found another concealer. Okay, we have a blush. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Blush, and I'm assuming I'm just supposed to keep using this. And this is a beautiful pink, rosy pink. It's very powdery. Oh, where's the color payoff? Are we seeing any blush? Do we have any contour? Like, no eyebrow stuff, no contour. I'm shaking. This is like not how you apply blush. Oh, I did too much. Ah! Girl, calm down with the blush. Okay, then we have a highlight by Essence, the Pure Nude Space Highlighter. And I think I'm just going to use my finger. Your finger? Way too much blush. Girl, I look like, no. Okay, she really takes her mascara serious. Oh my god, with two Better Than Sex mascaras. I have lash extensions, so I'm gonna pass on these. Liquid liner I have to pass on as well because I do not know if that one has oils in it. This is also a liquid liner. This is, I gave her this. The Gigi Hadid. Hey girl. Like Gigi Hadid's watching. Like, hey girl, I'm like talking to her like, hi, like, two pencil liners. So there's no eyebrow stuff, so we're just gonna have our brows au natural. I hope you guys don't mind. Look, I spent so many years growing them out. They're so fluffy. Gel pencil on our waterline, and let's see what happens. Should I or should I not? Cute. Ooh, that's nice, and that is by Maybelline. Do not need eyelash extensions. Eyeshadow. Ooh, there is another. It's a Master Strobing Stick by Maybelline. Master Strobing. Ooh, I feel like I've tried this before. Ooh, look at that. Highlighting to the gauze. I'm assuming we just use our fingers. That's why I'm just using my fingers. Cute. Okay, for eyeshadows, we have a whopping choice of two. An Essence eyeshadow in Safari Lounge and an Annabelle Matte Sand, and it's like going everywhere. Why is it going everywhere? I wish I had some blending brushes, but you remember what we have to work with? Mother, I am going to use this with the matte sand. I use this, and we are going to attempt. There's no eye primer. Go in the crease. Oh my god. One fluffy brush is all I ask for. Oh my god, I have foundation on my titty. This, and I'm just gonna. Ooh, she's shimmery. Oh yes. Oh, one of my eyelash extensions just fell out. Ooh, ooh. It's honestly a really good sign. Sweet. Okay, now we're gonna put a little bit more on the inner corner. Okay, this makeup look doesn't look terrible. What is this? What is this? Half of a Q-tip. We're not sure. Okay, now the last thing I bet some people will be shook about. When I started watching my mom do her makeup when I was a youngin', she would always do this and has done it since like she started doing her makeup. If you see right here on her makeup collection, right up there, there is a pin. She can never be without a pin. A pin in her makeup collection. Why, you ask? I'm so confused, you might say. She takes this. Please don't do this at home. She does her mascara. Then she takes the pin and she will separate each individual eyelash after she's done her mascara. And then I believe she does another coat and then separates them again so they're nice and like spaced out. I'm doing that too. Let's just separate my lash extensions and make them all fall out. Thoughts and opinions? That was the completed makeup look. How do I feel? Coop, my dog, Coop, my dog, Cooper, my dog. Come here. I'm gonna put this makeup collection right here. Okay, come here. You ready? Pee, go pee. Just kidding. Oh, Coop. Oh, just kidding. There's some things that work for some but don't work for others. So my mom's makeup collection clearly works for her. It's what she knows, it's what she likes. She doesn't need to be conformed to the beauty community. She doesn't sip tea, she sips coffee, and she just does her own thing and separates her eyelashes with a pin. All jokes aside, my mom's makeup slays. It's just something that I'm not used to, but not everyone does the same thing. So whatever makeup tricks you have, as long as they are safe,
there is a pin.
And if they're working for you, then that's all that matters. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for requesting it. And I'm gonna have a little chit chat with my mom. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Wait, there's no lipstick. Oh, okay. Bye.